At number 4, we have the Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel. The Bissell 2252 is a budget-friendly option that excels in pet hair removal and offers a commendable performance on various floor types. Its standout feature, the 2-axis swivel steering, significantly enhances maneuverability around furniture and obstacles, making it a convenient choice for homes with pets. The vacuum comes equipped with a triple action brush roll and specialized pet tools, including the Pet Turbo Eraser tool, which effectively lifts and removes embedded pet hair. Despite its lower price point, it boasts a decent attachment set and a suction blockage indicator, a unique addition that aids in maintaining optimal performance. Weighing less than the average upright vacuum, it promises ease of use without compromising on cleaning capabilities. The vacuum's construction is robust, with no significant hotspots detected during extended use, indicating good durability. However, it's worth noting that the vacuum operates louder than average and lacks HEPA filtration, which might be a concern for allergy sufferers. Additionally, the cleaning head may lift when maneuvering under furniture, potentially affecting its cleaning efficiency in those areas. Overall, the Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Pet offers great value for money, combining essential features and performance that cater to pet owners on a budget. While it has its limitations, its strengths in pet hair removal and ease of use make it a worthy consideration.